Choosing between a rice cooker and a pressure cooker can be tough. Both have unique advantages. Which one fits your needs best? This comparison will help you decide. Rice cookers are designed for perfect rice every time. Just add rice and water, and it will handle the rest. It's the ultimate convenience for consistent meals. Rice cookers have a keep warm function. After cooking, they switch to keep warm mode. This ensures your rice stays ready to eat whenever you are. Modern rice cookers offer various settings, from white rice to sushi rice, and even steaming vegetables. It's a multifunctional tool in the kitchen. Pressure cookers cook food faster than traditional methods. High-pressure steam reduces cooking times by up to 70%. Great for quick meals. Pressure cookers are versatile. They cook stews, soups, rice, meats, and even desserts like cheesecake. Multiple settings allow for different cooking methods. Pressure cookers are energy efficient. High-pressure steam cooks food faster, using less electricity. This can save you money on energy bills over time. Rice cookers use steady heat for cooking. Add rice and water, start cooking, and let it do the rest. It's simple and requires minimal supervision. Pressure cookers cook food using high pressure and steam. Seal the lid, build pressure, and cook. Release pressure naturally or quickly for fast meals. Rice cookers are great for white rice, brown rice, quinoa, oatmeal, steamed vegetables, and soups. They're perfect for healthy and consistent meals. Pressure cookers excel at cooking meats, beans, lentils, rice, soups, vegetables, and even desserts. They're ideal for a variety of quick and tasty dishes. Rice cookers are straightforward to use. Just add rice and water, press a button, and wait. Pressure cookers require more settings and careful handling.